Looking for the absolute best Valentine's Day gifts for men in 2025 that go beyond the usual clichés? This isn't your average whiskey, stones and beard oil list. We're talking about 30+ genuinely unique and thoughtful presents he'll actually love this February 14th. Stop the endless doom scrolling on Google and discover our curated selection of amazing finds. Don't forget to check the description below for direct links to grab these incredible gifts before Valentine's Day. Number 1. Consider surprising him with noise-canceling headphones perfect for his commute or focusing on work. Number 2. A sleek smartwatch could revolutionize his fitness tracking and daily convenience. Number 3. Elevate his mornings with a top-tier high-end coffee maker turning routine into a luxurious ritual. Number 4. For the man who appreciates self-care, a premium luxury grooming kit makes a sophisticated statement. Number 5. And for entertainment on the go, a cutting-edge portable gaming console offers endless fun. These thoughtful Valentine's Day gifts prove you've been listening, whether he's a tech enthusiast, a style guru, or someone who cherishes daily comforts. From practical gadgets that simplify life to fun items that tap into his deepest passions, this ultimate guide cuts through the clutter to deliver truly special ideas for any boyfriend or husband. Get ready to surprise him with a gift that truly shows how much he means to you.